Hi guys, my name is Stefano Bernardini. I am a MuleSoft mentor, and today I will show you how to subscribe to Change Data Capture events. Okay. What is Change Data Capture? With Change Data Capture, we can receive near real-time changes of Salesforce records and synchronize corresponding records in an external data store. Change Data Capture publishes change events which represent changes to Salesforce records. These changes include creation of a new record, update to an existing record, deletion, and undeletion. In our solution, first we move on Salesforce and we enable change data capture on the object we want to publish. Then we move on MuleSoft and we will create a flow with a replay channel listener. Let's go. Okay, let's go to Salesforce in order to enable the change data capture. So we go to setup, then we search for change data capture. Okay, so change data capture. As you can see, we have available entities and selected entities. Let's select the entities we want to publish. So for example, contact. Let's move to the selected entity. I click on add. Okay, and let's save. On Salesforce side everything is ready. So let's move to MuleSoft. Okay, here I already set up all this stuff regarding Salesforce. So I create a new project, my CDC. I already created a global configuration element with Salesforce config, the configuration property that go to the YAML, and the env properties in order to select the proper environment YAML. Okay, and the connection it's okay, as you can see. Let's see. Okay, maybe I will do a video about this and how to use the proper environment based with UAT, test, production. Okay, but this is not the case. So let's create a new flow. I'm searching for replay channel listener. Okay, I click on save. I select the Salesforce config. Okay, there is only one. Okay, I have to fetch force a refresh of type list. Okay, in order to get my my data capture event. I've selected only the contact events. Okay, let's see if it's okay. Okay, contact change event. This is the event I was looking for. Okay. Okay, replay option. This I can choose from this this menu. Okay, I select from last reply id. Okay. Then in advanced there is a very important flag I have to set, that is cache events in memory, in order to prevent exceeding quota limit. Okay. Okay, just a brief overview of the option we set. We set cache event in memory, that the default value is false. With this option, when the processing flow is low, it cache events in memory to reduce quota consumption. Okay, so we can save a lot of quota consumption with this cache enabled. And the second option I want to focus is a replay option. That there is for value. Let's see all of them. Only new. With this option, it subscribe only new events that are broadcast after the client subscribes. Okay. With all option, it subscribe all events, including the past 24 hours. Okay. with the from replay ID, I have to insert a replay ID, and so every replay ID greater than mine replay ID would be published. And from last replay ID, with this option, it use the highest replay ID stored in the object store every time, so regardless to whether it is processed successfully or not. And I select the last one. Okay. And then I can log. Okay. Let's log in my way. So I select output application JSON, where after the replay channel, when now what payload. Okay, so let's see also the format of these events. Okay, we are ready. Let's run. Let's see if everything is okay. So let's try to create a new contact. Okay. Mr. Bob Red, language Italian. Save. Let's see what happened. Okay, we received this event. Okay, this is the data. As you can see, it's a create event. Let's see the other type of events. So if I modify Bob and from Italian to German, okay, we also received the update event, and I can also delete this contact, and there we will receive the delete. Okay. It is very important considering the limits. In the following scenario, we have to look carefully to these two limits. For example, if we have a performance and an unlimited edition, we have this 50K daily and 250K hourly. So even delivery is every time we receive the message from chain data capture in this scenario, while publishing is every time a chain data capture is published. So we have to carefully look at these two value, especially the first one. So if 50K is not enough for our integration, we can buy additional add-on license. With this additional add-on license, we can buy this 100K more. So at the end, based on last 24 hours, we can have 150K. Okay. Okay, that's it for now. See you in the next video.